AMC short squeeze update. Okay, guys, here we are. So I can't believe it right now. AMC stock is absolutely soaring. So the volume was ridiculously at 705 million shares, guys. So we absolutely mooned in the second half of this session. So when I first uploaded earlier in the day, I believe we were sitting at, I think we were sitting at a price of, I believe it was like around here. It was like $22 or $23. We actually mooned all the way to 30, guys. $30. Yes, $30 for AMC stock. Hit some resistance and then basically leveled off at $26. So it looks like there was a lot of support right around the $25 level, which is really solid because that's probably where a lot of people have limit orders to buy at the $25 level, and that's why we've kind of seen these three bounces here. So what's next for AMC? Okay, guys, so give you guys a quick playbook. First of all, we have a Memorial Day weekend coming up, okay? So that means the market's going to be closed on Monday. So we're going to have a 3-day weekend. So we're not going to have any trading, obviously, on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So tomorrow will be really interesting to see how things shake out because I don't think a lot of shorts want to hold over the weekend. Why? Well, we have a long weekend coming up, and that could be a lot of people on Reddit, a lot of people on Facebook, a lot of people on Twitter, you know, talking amongst each other about buying AMC. So we could see an even bigger breakout on Tuesday. So I think a lot of shorts are going to end up closing their positions. This story has gotten pretty mainstream, and the shorts have lost billions of dollars betting against AMC. So I think we're probably going to retest $30 tomorrow, assuming the overall market. Of course, the overall market has to be green. It's just been a good overall market, guys. So if we take a look at the 5-day chart, I started talking about, basically what I was doing with my position here. And just over the last 5 days, guys, we're up over 100%. So congratulations to you guys that held on. I'm really kicking myself for selling half of my position. Obviously, I used the money to pay bills and stuff like that. But, I'm trying to be as transparent as possible, guys. I probably should have just held the second half of this position. I probably could have figured out some ways. But, like I said, I basically used the money to pay bills and buy some Bitcoin. So obviously in hindsight, should have held on to the other half of the position, but that's okay, guys. There's nothing wrong with taking profits along the way. Obviously we need to hold as long as possible, but even if you're just holding one share, guys, we need everyone in this community. We need everyone that's holding AMC. So whether you have one share, 5 shares, 100 shares, or 1,000 shares, like I said, individually we can't do much damage, right? We're not like BlackRock. I believe BlackRock has about 27 million shares. So individually we don't have much power, but collectively as a group we can move mountains, guys. So that's the whole thing. So one thing I would say about the community is everyone's story is different. Some people sold some AMC stock probably up at these levels to pay off their bills. Some people are taking care of their kids. Some people are out of work, guys. Everyone's story is different. So I would say, the important thing in this community is as long as you have one share, you're just as important. And like I said, the overall goal, isn't really to bankrupt the shorts. Obviously that's, going to be a side effect of us reaching our goal. But the ultimate goal is to stop the manipulation of the markets and for us to achieve financial freedom. So, what's really been going on with what Wall Street did back in 08, 09, how they basically bankrupted a lot of people, got rid of millions of jobs. People lost their entire retirements. You had a lot of baby boomers that were planning to retire, had to still go to work. A lot of us kids, we were, not really kids, but we were basically, young adults, teenagers back during the financial crisis. A lot of our career paths got changed. So, the important thing is to let Wall Street know, look, we're not going to be forgotten about. We're going to reach financial freedom. And if you're going to short sell, these companies that are basically, having to basically raise capital and issue shares and basically be on the verge of bankruptcy due to your greed, you're going to get punished for it. So I think that's the overall goal of the movement, guys. I really think it's just for us to reach financial freedom. And as you can see here with AMC, the trend just keeps going up. So I have to keep updating my price targets. And now I'm looking at $120 and I'm thinking, is that too low? The momentum on this stock has just been absolutely nuts. So then let's back up and see what we're doing year to date. So year to date, We are up over 1,200%, guys. That is insane. So that's far outperforming anything that you would have gotten holding an index fund or holding the S&P 500. And this is one of the reasons why I don't really like index fund investing. I think it works for people, guys. You know, if you want 15, 20, 25%, 30% a year, fine. You know, go to work, take your paycheck, buy index funds. But the problem with that is that you're not really getting ahead. You know, with that type of strategy, it's going to take you, 15, 20, 30 years of hard labor, and we really don't know exactly where the monetary supply is going to be in the future. But if we all work together, and we all buy the same stock, we can be up 1,200%. And this is just the first half of basically 2021. So the second half, I think AMC stock can easily probably, it looks like it's basically, the next meme like Dogecoin, where we're at 1,200%. Perhaps by the end of the year, AMC stock might end up being over 2,000, 3,000, 4,000%. So it's just been an epic ride, guys. And, I think Friday is going to be another major bump in price. We just really need, so we're going to see where the shorts or where people are going to end up profit taking and closing out the positions. A lot of buying strength right here at the $25 level. And if we look here, we can see that the short volume is currently 30%, guys. So a lot of people are still betting against AMC stock. I'm not really sure why. I think, the recent price activity shows that, this stock is definitely undervalued, and it's a reopening stock as well, and it's very highly correlated to the vaccinations, which there's been multiple sources, but I'll show you guys an article. Okay, so this was posted a few days ago on Forbes, but it says, Joe Biden set a goal of vaccinating 70% of Americans by July 4th. So if 70% of the population is vaccinated July 4th, we can pretty much estimate that by the end of the summer, over 80%, basically 4 out of 5 Americans will be vaccinated. So this is extremely bullish for places, stocks like AMC. This is a reopening play. So, at the end of the day, guys, yes, the momentum's great. Yes, the shorts are getting squeezed, but there is some fundamental value underneath here. And it's one of the reasons why BlackRock and other of these institutional investors are betting with us. So not all of these big money guys are betting against AMC. Obviously, a lot of the shorts are getting crushed right now, but even BlackRock has 27 million shares, guys, and they're the largest institutional investor in the entire world. So, there's a lot of strong hands, not just in the retail community, but in the institutional community as well. So I'd say, hey, if BlackRock is holding, and I've been holding since $6, I think we're definitely going to test $30 on Friday. So I think a lot of people are going to buy in anticipation of a higher run-up on the weekend, because remember, we don't have any trading on Monday, and I think a lot of shorts are going to close because they're scared to hold over the weekend. So I'd say the next price point, guys, is $30, and then I'll be sure to tune in with you guys next week and keep you updated. But so far, it's been an epic run. Congrats to all you guys that have made some money. It's been a long run, guys. Ever since I started talking about AMC, back when it was around, $6 or something like that. And I just didn't, we went a long period where we thought the price would never recover, but that patience has paid off, and it's paid into some impressive gains, guys. So if you guys enjoy my videos, please smash the like button and smash the red subscribe button to see more updates from me, guys. What a year it's been for AMC, up 1,200%. It'll be interesting to see how far we can go with this. So congrats. Once again, we're making history right here. This is just the first half. We still have another half of the chapter to write this year on AMC stock, guys. So like I said, thanks for watching, and take care.